Numit Nini Chupna Kachai Fruit Farming and Processing Cooperative Society Limited na Sinduna Organic Kachai Lemon for Safe Environment and Rural Transformation Haiba Team da Chathagadaba Taraga Nipan Suba State Level Kachai Lemon Festival Ngasidagi Ukhrul District Kachai KHUL Ground da Stall Chaniga Humfulom na Saruk Yaduna Pangtokpa HOUDOKHRE Haudokpagi Thoram Aduda Additional Chief Secretary P. Vaifai Horticulture and Soil Conservation ki Director Honi Chara NABARD की जनरल मैनेजर डॉक्टर एम श्रीनिवास राव MIDH अमदी मोमा की प्रोजेक्ट डायरेक्टर के देवादत्त शर्मा यावना तोंगान तोंगान बमरुइबा मियोय कयाना सरुक याखी थौरमगा मरी लेनना चीफ गेस्ट ओइखिबा पी वाइफाई न फोंदोखिबदा हॉर्टिकल्चर डिपार्टमेंट पु लुचिंगलिबा सिंगना थवाई यावना होटनबदगी ngasi gi mai pakpa asi lakpani khul asida champra thaduna mapung fana puthokliba longmi sing asi thagatli loinana organic oiraba kachai lemon asibu packaging tawduna achar yauna makhal mathel kaya semdana yoliba asi ubada hena nungai mafam asida thariba champra asi yonlaktuna kachai khaktana tana manipur gi oina senmit londa achauba kanaba purakani lamdam sigi haira sing pack tawduna hena yonba ngamnaba su honari ayamba loisin laktuna miyamda kanaba fanglagani Horticulture Department su pothok sing asi yonbada awaba leitanaba India manung khaktanatana Europe laibakna chingbada su thadoknaba singani khul asida champra khaktanatana atopa singna chingba kayasu ningthina puthokli mamangi chahi singdagi su handaki chahi sida champra hena puthokpa ngamba asigi damakta su longmi singbu thagatli longmi singna yamna hotnariba makhai lenga ki maikai dagi su angamba mateng pangani haiki
lemons for production of pickles, juices and various other products. Today, while doing the round of this 260 odd stores, I was very happy to note that some modern packaging and very attractive production packagings have been visible in most of the stalls, and that itself augurs very well for Kachai lemon. Poses the challenge for ensuring how to make the best use of the additional production, and that is where I would like to share a few information. One is this horticulture department has come up with the reconstruction of the fruit factory, which is in the final stage of coming into function. The physical construction of the fruit factory has been completed. The machineries are being set up as of now, and the functional requirement of funds have also been provided already, and very soon we will be commissioning the factory.